What is up, guys? This is Monster Tech here, back with another video. And this video is the new MacBook Air. It concerns the new MacBook Air. Is it more replaceable than the last version? More upgradable, kind of. So with the new MacBook Airs, with the teardowns, it looks like it's more replaceable now than the previous one. Because now it looks like it's much more modular now. And it has better fastening of the battery, so it's more user upgradable now. So now with the battery, it's less adhesive now, and there's a metal shield behind it now, so you won't really puncture anything, and it's no longer glued to the case now. That's the real thing. So now there's rumors that Apple will now just replace the battery a la carte instead of replacing the entire upper casing of the machine. This is good for Apple's environmentally responsible push they've had recently, and this probably is going to be good in the eyes of the people who like environmentally friendly stuff. So it might boost their sales a little bit amongst the environmentally friendly people. So that is basically the new MacBook Air. So it is more durable, and it looks more upgradable, and it also seems more modular. So more of the pieces look more modular now. So if something fails now, you can probably just get it replaced now for cheaper than, let's say, the last MacBook Air. So much more modular than that version, and yeah, it looks better. The design looks better, and pretty much everything's better, except for the arguably better butterfly keyboard. But most people won't really care, and some people might really like it. So this is about the new MacBook Air being more replaceable now. Basically it is. So this is a Monster Tech video. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one.